Grade 7, Chapter 10, Prose, The Story of Cricket, Solution. The Story of Cricket, Summary. History of Cricket. Cricket is one of the forms of the many games played with a ball and a bat in England from past 500 years. It evolved as a distinct game around 17th century. Initially, during the mid of 18th century, the bat used to be like the hockey stick curving outwards. The test matches played in cricket are the only format of any game that is played for 5 days and can still end in a draw. Another interesting aspect of the cricket is that the length of the pitch is 22 yards, but the size of the ground remains unspecified. There were oval as well as circular cricket grounds. Rules of cricket. Rules about cricket were first written around 1744. It gave the umpires the power to resolve any dispute. It specified the stumps to be 22 inches high and bails across them to be 6 inches. The ball weighed about 5 or 6 ounces and the distance between the two set of stumps was 22 yards. The first cricket club came into existence in Hambledon in 1760s. The first leg before law was published in 1744 and it was around the same time that the third stump became popular. By 1780, the matches were played for around 3 days and the first six-seam ball was also created in the same time. Cricket equipment. The most important equipment associated with cricket continues to be handmade still today. They are made up of natural or pre industrial materials. The bats are handmade of cork, leather, and twine. Only the protective equipment like the pads, gloves, and helmets, synthetic materials like vulcanized rubber, etc., are used. Cricket was first played in India in Bombay by the Zoroastrian or Parsi community. The Oriental Cricket Club, founded in Bombay in 1848, was the first Indian cricket club. The Parsis had to build their own Gymkhana following a quarrel with the whites for the Bombay Gymkhana. In 1889, the Bombay Gymkhana team was defeated by the Parsi team. Modern cricket and use of technology. Modern cricket is dominated by test and one day international format. Some of the great players whom we all fondly remember are the ones who have played in the test cricket. C.K. Naidu is one such great player. He was also the first test captain of India. India became a test playing nation in 1932, many years before it got its independence. Test cricket initially was played among various parts of the British Empire and not between sovereign states. The first test was played between England and Australia. Television coverage was brought cricket to every household. With the satellite television, it is now possible to catch live updates of match played anywhere across the world. India has the largest viewership of the game and is the largest market for cricket. 150 years ago, our Parsi ancestors had to struggle to play the game, but today Indian cricket players are the best paid and the most famous in the world. Now, comprehension check. Question number 1. India cricket is originally a British game. Second option, a British game. Question number 2. There is a historical reason behind both these additives. In the preceding two paragraphs, find two words or phrases that mean the same as additives. One is peculiarities, another one is curious characteristic. Peculiarities and another one, curious characteristics. The third question, how is a cricket bat different from a hockey stick? A cricket bat is thick and flat, while a hockey stick is bent at the bottom. Now, question number 1 is true or false. First question, India joined the world of Test cricket before independence is true. The colonizers did nothing to encourage the Parsi in playing cricket. True. Palvanka Balu was India's first Test captain. False. Australia played its first Test against England as sovereign nation. Is false. Now, question 1 is a professional cricket player is one who makes a living by playing cricket. Find the opposite of professional in the last paragraph. Amateur. Second question, in the triumph of the one-day game, triumph means the one-day game's popularity among viewers. Question 3, the men for whom the world is a stage. It implies that cricketers are like actors and every cricket ground is like a stage on which the drama of cricket is enacted the world over. That is the right answer. Now, working with the text, first question, name some stick and ball games that you have witnessed or heard of. Hockey, polo, squash, golf. Question number 2, the Parsis were the first Indian community to take to cricket. Why? Parsis were in the close contact with the British because of their interest in trade. They were the first Indian community to westernize and went up taking up the game of cricket. Third question is, the rivalry between Parsis and the Bombay Gymkhana had a happy ending for the farmer. What does a happy ending refer to? Happy ending referred to the victory of the Parsis club towards Bombay Gymkhana in a cricket match held in 1889. Question 4. Do you think cricket owes its present popularity to television? Justify your answer. Yes, cricket owes its popularity to television. It has expanded the audience of the game by taking cricket to villages and small towns. Children from these places now had the chance to learn the game, seeing the international games and imitating their favorite cricketers. Question number 5. Why has cricket a large viewership in India, not in China or Russia? Cricket is not played in communist countries like China and Russia, so it has less viewership there. India is one of the oldest cricket playing nation, which further adds to its large viewership in the country. Question number 6. What do you understand by the game's cricket equipment? Games equipment, that is particularly in cricket. The accessories like bat, ball, stumps and bells are the equipment used in playing the game. Pads, helmets and gloves are protective equipment used while playing cricket. The 7th question. How is Test cricket a unique game in many ways? Test cricket is unique because it can go on for 5 days and still can end with a draw. No other game requires even half of this time to finish. A football match is played for 90 minutes. Even 9 innings of a baseball match gets over less than what it takes to finish a one-day match. Question number 8. How is cricket different from other team games? Cricket is different from other team games because in cricket, the length of the pitch is mentioned as 22 yards. However, the shape of the ground could be oval or circular. There is no specific measurement for the size of the ground as well. It is the only game played for 5 days and can end without a specific result. Unlike cricket, many other popular games like hockey or football follow certain specification for grounds. Question number 9. How have advances in technology affected the game of cricket? Advancement in technology has been used in manufacturing protective equipment in cricket. The newly invented vulcanized rubber was used in pads and gloves. The helmets are made up of metal and lightweight synthetic materials. Now, working with language, it's a word search. You can find the answers on your own. Solutions here or horizontal is over. wicket, boundary, slip, stump, draw. Vertical answers are 6, ball, out, maiden, bowled, caught. You can circle that. Add ly to the italicized word. Now he runs between wickets as if his legs were stiff. The answer is he runs between wickets stiffly. As if his legs were stiff. Change it to stiffly. Why did the batsman swing the hat in such a violent manner? Answer will be why did the batsman swing the bat so violently? Right? It is obvious that the work has not been done in a proper manner. Answer is it is obvious that the work has not been done properly. He had made the statement in a firm manner. He made the statement firmly. The job can be completed within a week in an easy way. The job can be completed within a week easily. You did not play in a serious manner, or else you would have won the match. You did not play seriously, or else you would have won the match. She recited the poem in a cheerful manner. She recited the poem cheerfully. Now question number 3. Use the following phrases appropriately in the place of the italicized word. Actually, I didn't intend to come to your place. I reached here without planning. That is by accident. Sunil, there is a letter for you in today's post. There is one for me also as well. Everybody thought I had composed the poem. The truth is my younger sister did it, as a matter of fact. The doctor told the patient to make sure that he took his pills on time. See to it. It will be better for us to plan our trip before setting out. We had better. Right? Complete the following words with GH or FF or F. Right? EFFORT. 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 Then fact. Third one is confess. Fourth is laughing. Fifth, enough. Sixth is half. 7 is scruff. Eighth one, rough. Ninth one, stiffly. And 10th one is difference. 11th is safety. 12th is flush. Write 2 paragraphs describing a bus ride to watch a cricket match in a village. Use the following points. Add some of your own. So the points are given. You can write like this. It is your wish, or you can write in your own manner. Very short answer type questions. Name one cricket ground that is oval in shape. Adelaide Oval Cricket Ground is oval in shape. Mention the year when the cricket rules were written for the first time. 1744. 2 changes that were seen in the game of cricket around 1780. By 1780, a test match was played for average 3 days. It was also the period when the first 6-seam cricket ball was created. Now, fourth question. The game of cricket traces its origin from England. The game of cricket traces its origin from rural England. Where and by which community the cricket was initially played in India? Cricket was initially played in Bombay by the Parsis community. Now, short answers. Since out of time, you can refer 2 short answers and 2 long answers. Extract based questions are also there. You can check it out. Just I am showing it. Some MCQs are also there. Check out the answers. Thank you.